Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can install WordPress on cPanel and then open up cPanel through WordPress. So let's get right into it. Now, cPanel is a web hosting control panel. It is a Linux-based GUI, which makes hosting your site much easier. Now, it is a paid for third-party service. However, most hosting sites and most hosting services do offer you a cPanel subscription as well as hosting your own website on their service. Now, you can use it for a variety of things. You have app installers, which include WordPress and Joomla. You can access the MySQL database as well as PHP MyAdmin. You can add any edit and remove any web files which you might want. You can also access your website via FTP because you can create FTP accounts through cPanel, etc., etc. Now, to install it through WordPress or to install WordPress on cPanel, it is relatively easy. You just need one of the pretty much easy auto installers such as Fantastico, Quick Install, and Subtaculous. This is pretty much the only way that I found that you can install cPanel or WordPress on cPanel, and then you can use the two interchangeably, or well, your site will be hosted on cPanel. However, you will have your website editor on WordPress as well. And to access your cPanel, it is pretty much just yourdomain.com/cPanel or yourdomain.com:2083, which is the port that cPanel uses. And if you have a new website and the DNS records have not yet propagated, then you can use the IP address instead, which looks something like this, which is just 10.10.10:2083. And that should be pretty much all you need to do. And that's pretty much it. Now, I'm sorry I couldn't show you guys exactly how that is done because I do not have cPanel, nor do I have the money to host a site just for tutorial's sake. And yeah, that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.